Hi everyone. So you know I always love to share with all of my subscribers everything that I get in the mail. So this video is the mail time, and if you're new to this channel, thank you for joining us, and we hope you consider subscribing. And for all of my subscribers, thank you for watching this video. So I've gotten a few packages over the last couple of days. Now one I had to already open, and I don't know if that one's going to make it. They were some plants that I ordered, and I don't know if it's because I didn't take it out the box really quick or what, but excuse the mess in the background. This is like my working station, and I have turned this into like a gardening table until I get all the plants out. Now I totally knew that spring was on its way, but we've been getting a lot of rain, and I haven't been able to get outside as much as I want. So I just feel like I'm behind. So anyway, let's go ahead and let's get started with the mail time, and then we'll see everything we got. Now, you know, you guys, I never open any of my packages. I always love sharing them and opening them up and letting you see it firsthand. Now, I do know what these things are, but I just like for us to open them together. So we'll go ahead and get started. So let's go ahead and start with the little things, and then we'll move along. I definitely want to do this package last. I am super excited, but we'll go ahead and start with the little stuff right here. This is from Amazon, and it is a sun hat with the like neck and the like a brim and the neck brim. And we're in coastal Georgia here, and I always wear a hat when I'm outside, like a sun hat or a straw hat or something like that. But like my head gets hot. This one is like breathable fabric. I wanted tan, but they didn't have it in stock right now. So I just went ahead and got the black, but I'm quite sure that I will go back in if I like this and order the tan color. But anyway, this is like, this goes over your neck. I hope you guys can see it. This goes over your neck, and you can adjust it. And then the brim of the hat is nice and pretty wide here. And so I thought that would be great for when I'm outside in the yard and in the garden doing things. You definitely have to protect yourself. Also, most of the times with gnats and mosquitoes here, I wear a long sleeve. Okay, so our next package is from Triple Wren Farms, and they basically sell dahlia cuttings. And I ordered these dahlias last year. It's best to pre-order like in the fall time. I think I ordered them in the fall. And so they ship out starting in May. You just pretty much pick your time and they'll ship them out. And I ordered some really nice colors. Now, I want to see what they look like because I am super excited. So here are the dahlia tubers right here, and I definitely need to go ahead and get those in the ground. But they look really nice. You definitely, when you plant dahlias, you definitely have to locate the eyes on there, and I do see eyes on these tubers, which is good. That's what you want. And we'll be planting those, and hopefully can, you know, have them multiply over the years and really make a nice dahlia patch. But these look super nice, and I see the eyes. We have a little bit more rain in the forecast, so I'm hoping, I want to watch the weather with these, just for the simple fact that I don't want to put these tubers in the ground and with all the rain that they rot, because I paid too much money for these. So I'm going to keep, and this is a very nice postcard too, super nice. It basically tells you your planting instructions and how to do it. So hopefully I can get these in this weekend. I think we have rain one more day tomorrow, and then I should be able to go ahead and plant them because it's getting like in the 80s here. So hopefully we can get those planted, and I can get my supports up and staked and have beautiful dahlias this summer. I will link my garden tour video, because I shared with you that one of the black pots in the front had a nice long crack in there, and so when you watered it out the side, it just kind of spewed water. Not a lot, but you know, you're losing a lot of water with that crack in there. So I wanted to get just one black pot, but then the other pot in the front is brown, and I was just thinking just get two of them that's alike. And so I'll have to repot both of those plants. I have the Stella Diora lily in one, and I had threw the Super Tunia Bordeaux in there, but I'm gonna have to move that because I got a feeling that it's gonna compete and it's gonna get big, and it just doesn't look proportioned to me. So I don't know where I'm going to move it, but I'm going to move it somewhere where it could really like flourish and grow like it's supposed to. Let's see if I could do this one-handed. They have these heavy-duty staples in here. But this pot right here, these pots, they're supposed to be self-watering. Now, I don't know if they're like the Crescent Garden pots that I got, but anything that'll kind of cut down and cut down on watering where I don't have to go outside like every single day, I am super fine with that. Super fine. So these are 20 by 20 by 20, but I didn't read the inside. Like the outside is 20 by 20 by 20, but the insides are like 15 by 15 by something. But anyway, they are self-watering, and these are by Mayne, M-A-Y-N-E. And they basically share with you the instructions about how to put the water in the plug, and it's self-watering. So that'll help me, you know, even if I don't have to, if I can just water like once a week or something like that, because it gets hot down here. I'm super fine with that. And they even have an insert in here where you can send them your picture and win up to $250 just by sending them the picture with your plant in their container or something like that. But let me take it out. I'm gonna have to put the camera down. Let me take it out so I can show you how this looks. Okay, y'all, this is crazy. It is sunny like over here, and let me pan around. It is raining over here. I don't know if you guys can see the rain. Is that not crazy? Like it's raining on this side and sunny over here. So okay, I'm about to get ready to hurry up. I thought that was super crazy. But anyway, let me show you the planter. Now I do see a difference with these planters right here. You will have to drill a hole in them, and they also included like a rubber thing. You have to drill 3/4 inch of a hole. So I'll probably, my husband gave me my very own special drill, so I'll probably drill that myself. But I just like the classic look of these, and I got 2 of those. I thought it was just like a timeless pot that you can use with anything. And one thing I didn't think about when I first started buying pots is like cohesiveness. I would just buy them because they were on sale. So I have all types of pots and all types of sizes, all types of color, but I do want these like on the front. So I'm gonna have to repot 2 of the pots, and I think that these will look really pretty with the other 2 low black pots. Okay, so that was literally like 2 minutes and it stopped raining. But what I also wanted to tell you about the pot is I guess the water pulls up from here, and you drill the hole either on the side or on the back of it. But I just wanted to show you the inside really quick as to how it looks. So that is the pots by Mayne. I'm gonna say it's Mayne. Okay, and we have one more thing to open. So we have some live plants here from Proven Winners, and I know that they said on like their Facebook page and their Instagram that they were starting to ship out the flower pillows. Now I did a super big order with Proven Winners, so I'm going to assume this is just the flower pillows and not the whole order, because I order a lot of Super Tunias and I think like the baby tut or something for a couple of pots, the Crescent Garden pots that I got. So I ordered those because the flower pillows are only for like pots that are 12 inches or hanging pots that are 12 inches. And the Crescent Garden pots I think are like 20 or 24 inches as far as the diameter. I probably could have got two, but let's go ahead. Let me stop talking because I keep saying don't make these videos long. Okay, so we're gonna open up everything. Okay, so I had to switch sides because the sun, I think it's like after 7, the sun is starting to set. So I wanted to get out of the sun so it would not be super bright. So we'll open these, but the sun is in my eyes now. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what is going on in here. So let me put it down so you guys can see it. So here is one of the boxes right here. I just pulled this out of the box right here. And I'm going to open it. I think I'm going to pull the tape off and open it from the bottom, sort of just slide out. But these are the flower pillows and they already have buds on them. Can you guys see that? They are ready. They are ready to be planted and ready to go, and they are so pretty. I hope they gave me an invoice. If not, I'll have to put in the description box which ones these were. But I remember last year I wanted some of these flower pillows and I think they had sold out. Okay, so let me just kind of slip it out from the bottom so you guys can see. But this is how the flower pillows come, and this is how they look. Some nice roots there. Okay, I'm glad they got it. This is the Traverse. So I'll try to leave a link there. And that's really pretty. I mean, this is pretty much ready to be popped in and ready to go. But I just love the fact that they're already having blooms. They are ready. So I know for a fact that I got two of those, but I'm going to just open it from the bottom. I think that's better than trying to actually pull them out. Oh, look at here. Can y'all see that? Oh, a bloom fell off, but I think this is another, yep, this is a Traverse too. And let me just show you guys something real quick before I pull out the other ones. This is what's going to make it hard for me. I initially, let me walk over here and show you. So I initially bought those two flower pillows so that they would go in this hanging basket and the other hanging basket over there. But as you see, these are coming back. So I just don't have the... I can't pull them, y'all. I cannot pull them. Now, I do have an option. I bought some, they're not quite flower pillows, but there's something like it. It's like a mix of flowers. And like I said, hopefully I'll show that in my April garden tour. I don't think one of the pots is going to make it. And I wanted them to be just alike in the front. See how they're coming back? Like I can't pull these. These two plants were getting straggly and dangling, so I gave them like a nice big chop, put some bloom booster on there, and they are coming back. So I just can't pull them. What I may do is take these right here, these two, and put them in those two front pots, and so that they're like close alike. This one doesn't have as much purple as the other one. This is more of the pink, but I just may take that and put them in the front because my two pots from Crescent Garden, I ordered some of the super petunias where it's similar to the Traverse, so they'll be like cohesive when you walk in the back. But anyway, that's the dilemma I'm going through right now. But I'm still going to put them, the flower pillows, in two pots to go ahead and get them growing, and then I'll decide what I'm going to do with them. So I ordered a total of 4 of the flower pillows. So this is what I'm truly excited for. I've noticed that Y'all, I just started opening it up and just got it all out of the camera frame. But I noticed that Proven Winners is starting to sell like herbs and strawberries. So I just absolutely had to try a flower pillow with one of them. And what I chose was, gosh, oh, come on. Look, when you look, this is the Buried Treasure. The Buried Treasure flower pillow. Will you look at that? And I got the perfect container for it. And look, the blooms on those are so pretty. I'm going to link it below. Like, if you look at the blooms on it, they are super pretty. These have one bloom, but I just think this is gorgeous. And I love the fact that it comes like really healthy. I was fussing about the price. I was. But when they come healthy like that, and knowing the reputation that Proven Winner has, because every flower or plant that I have gotten from Proven Winner, I have not been disappointed. So sometimes you have to pay for what you get. So I got 2 of these, and these are the Buried Treasure. And I'm sorry, guys, that I'm not in the frame, but these are the Buried Treasure. I know this is going to look so pretty. The Buried Treasure flower pillow. And these actually have a couple of blooms on those already. But I'm just looking at how healthy, and I'm trying to hold it back, like how healthy that they look. So, oh, here's one right here. Look. It's just like everything is off to a good start. And you just need to take care of it and, you know, do your fertilization and put some nice slow release. I'll probably use the Plant Tone for the Traverse pillow, and then I'll use the Veggie Tone by Espoma. In addition, they also put you some pictures of what you ordered. That is super pretty. And look at those blooms right here. I'm excited for that. And they're more pink when I look, when you look at it, it may look red because I'm not a red flower lover. I've had red flowers, but I prefer purple. That's like my first choice. And so a bird just flew like over my head pretty low. But anyway, they put you some nice reading material in here also. And they put the garden idea book in here, and just some information on how to find them online. So I guess now they're gonna have, like, you see right here where it says Proven Harvest. So right now they have the Garden Treasure Slicing Tomato, the Garden Gem Snacking Tomato, the Buried Treasure, Red Strawberry, and Amazel Basil Sweet Italian Basil. And once again, I would love to go here. Look at this. Would love to go here. This will be on my bucket list. I may not be able to go this year, but I am going to get there because I've watched some of the videos from Garden Answer, and it is just beautiful. No cars, everything a horse and buggy. It's just so beautiful. So super pretty. And I got the perfect container. I'll do a separate video when I pop the strawberries up because I found the perfect container for it. But anyway, thank you all for hanging out with me today for this mail time. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you like this video, please share this video with your family and your friends. And if you're not a subscriber, we would absolutely love to have you as a subscriber. So make sure that you tap the button so that you can receive notification each and every time that we upload a video. Again, thank you all so much for watching. And until the next video, bye-bye.